Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if the music stops playing every time you open another app on your iPhone. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on accessibility. In this menu, scroll down again and tap on per app settings. Here tap the add app option. Now you'll need to scroll through the app and locate the app which is causing the music to stop. Once you find it, tap on it. Now once the app is added, tap on it again. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Autoplay video previews. In this menu, select off. You'll need to repeat these steps for each app that is causing the music to stop playing. Now if this does not work, the next thing you can do is disable microphone access for the problematic app. For that, return to the main settings page. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and tap on apps. In this menu, locate the app which is causing the music to stop. So let's just select Facebook for example. Now tap on it. In this menu, disable the microphone access for the app. Now close both the apps and try listening to music again. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.